Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to create a model, this exercise 29. Okay, so let's start. First we will draw this green portion and this one, and then we will extrude, then we will subtract this portion. Okay, create the sketch, select the plane. Now draw a 30 dia circle at the center. Since this hole is throughout, so we are creating it. Dia 30 circle. Next, what we have to do is we have to create this circle of R25, means dia 50. So this one. Next thing is this is a straight line, vertical line at a distance of 30 from the center point of the circle, and its vertical length is 2.4. Okay, and it's one end, this end is 1.2 from this one, so we will draw a 2.4 vertical line which is at a distance of 30 from the center. Next, it is 1.2 from the center, so this one and this one, this is 1.2, so this is at the mid of this center line of circle. Now what we have to do is we have to create a line from here and this one. Okay, trim this and then define this and this. Vertical, it is 3 from center and 3 from bottom, and it's 6. Okay, so here it is, and now what we have to do is trim this unwanted line. Got it? Next thing is we have to do it polar array. So simply select the circular pattern, left click, drag the cursor over these lines, select this one, then select the center point, select center point of circle as a center point for this pattern. Now specify these number of teeth: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So total numbers are 20. Okay, and next thing is click on OK. Now select trim tool and then trim these unwanted lines. Next, click on finish sketch, then home button. Now extrude, select the profile and use symmetric and hole length, and then specify it is 20. Why we are using symmetric extrusion is because we want this sketch to be in the center and this sketch is on the plane, so we want our sketch plane should be in the middle of the 3D model. So in future, if we require to mirror any profile, then we will use that plane or sketch as a mirror plane. Okay, so that's why we are using symmetric. Okay, Next thing is, now you can see that this plane is at the mid of this profile. So if in future we will have to mirror any profile which will on this side, then we will use this mirror plane. Okay, we will see it now how this will take place. So we have this slot on one side and it is on another side too also. Okay, 40.5 in dia and depth is 5, so it is also on opposite side. So first we will create it on this side, and then we will use this mirror plane which is the base plane of this model, and it will create similar profile on the other side. So that's why we use symmetric extrusion method, keeping in mind the future problems. Okay, so create sketch, select the surface. Now select a circle and then draw a 40.5 circle. Okay, press enter. Now finish sketch, then select extrude tool, then close profile, then specify the distance, that is -5. So -5 will subtract 5 mm from the existing body. Now you can see this profile is created on this top surface. Okay, now we want this same profile on another surface, another side, this side. So what we have to do is simply click on this create mirror, then select features from here, object type, then use extrude, which is extrude feature, then select the plane, and now we will use this mirror plane and then click OK. So here we have our second profile by mirroring this feature. Okay, and the mirror plane was same on which we created our sketch. Okay, so that's how you can create this profile in Fusion 360. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.